Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to hide your friends list from everyone in Facebook. Go to the Facebook app from your apps list. Tap on the three horizontal line from the top right corner. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Settings and Privacy. From this section, tap on Settings. Again, scroll down and find the option Privacy Settings. Tap on this. Again, scroll down and you will find an option Who can see your friends list. Tap on this. Who can see your friends list is selected as public by default. If you want your friends can see your friends list, then select the option Friends. If you want all the friends can see your friends list except some particular friends, then tap on this option. If you want only some specific friends will see your friends list, then select this option. And if you want nobody can see your friends list, then select the last option, Only Me. From now on, no one can see your friends list in Facebook. So that is how you can hide your friends list from everyone in Facebook. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.